So this is the project. Here we have a number of employees, number of workers we can manage. We can manage the active employees, workers. We can manage number of products that we are manufacturing. What is the manufactured today, previous day production, weekly productions, and total number of productions till now. So this is the entire project that can work on the manufacturing, assembly line automations, and the inventory as well. So this is our simple dashboard. We can make the changes, and we have a registration option. From here we can do the employee registration. And if you are using any of the current existing ERP, then we can sync this data as well. So when you make the changes in the employee database in your existing software, it will be reflected here as well. That is possible. Similarly, the employees are the employees who is having the fixed salary amount, and the workers are those people who is working on the daily basis or wages, on the wages that can be calculated on the how much work that they have done. Okay. And after that we have a add operations. So what are the operations that we need to do by the workers? So you can do the add operations, edit operations, and delete operations. Okay. And this is the proficiency we have. So according to the proficiency, we can make these proficiency to the part of the worker profile, and as per the proficiency we can assign them on the particular operations. Okay, and then we have a number of roles and permissions. So using these roles and permissions, our system will give the access of this entire options as per the roles and as per the permissions. So we have a roles and permissions. We can add, edit, and delete. We can assign the permissions. So let's say we need to assign some permission to the employee or a particular user or a particular role. We can assign it from here. So this is the number of permissions we have for now, and we can assign it manually. Okay, and we have a special permission as well. So if you want to provide any of the specific permission to any individual employee, then we can assign it manually as well. Okay, so this is the again the permissions we have. So this is the dynamic roles and permission options for providing the access to any of the user or any of the roles basically. And then we have a prices, so we can select the product and the operation from here, and then we can manage the prices for those products. Okay, we can update the prices as well. So these prices will be calculated on wages of the workers. Okay, and after that when we select the prices, we have a routes. So this is the product registration. So here we are fetching these products to the existing system. If you don't have any existing system, we can give you an option to create the products from here directly, or you can also give us the database or sync the API, so we can directly fetch the products from your existing system. Okay, and after that we have a batch registration. So each again the same, each product when you do the manufacturing, we must create a batch as well. So you can register your batch. So that is again, it is a sync part, and we can do it for you manually as well. And then we have a add route option. So this is the routes. Through this route, the number of products will be manufactured or prepared in the manufacturing company. So you can do the add route, edit route. So if we can say the energy embossing twisted rope lanyard. Okay, so this is a route. In this route there will be multiple operations, and using those operations, multiple workers can work on those operations to finish number of products. Okay, so this is the route we have created, and then we have a add operation to the route. So see, this is the route we have done, and these are the operations we have, and this is the sequence we can create for this operations, and this is the operation that we have already defined, and the last operation will be the QC, so that the product will be finalized and stored into the store in the inventory. So after assign operations and an edit operation to the route, so we can make the changes to the existing routes, and assign route to the product. So which product will follow which route? So from here we can define the routes basically. So this is the product now, and then we have multiple routes, so we can assign any of the routes from here, and when it will go to the manufacturing, this route will be followed to manufacture this product. Okay, and then we have a change route, so we can change the route, assign operation to worker. So from here we can select the worker name, and then we can have the worker code and worker details, and then we have a operation. So this is the operation is assigned already. We can assign multiple operation to the particular worker, and each operation have their price, and accordingly how many operations and how many products they have done in a particular day, our system will calculate the wages as well. Okay, and assigned so this is how the assign panel works: assign operation to worker and change operation to worker. And then we have a batch, so we can generate the batch. So let's say we have a number of products, number of batches we have, so we can from here we can generate the serial numbers. So using these serial numbers we can generate the barcodes as well to stick these barcodes on the products. Okay, and then we have a multiple reports: the employee details, route details, and the products, proficiency, product wise, price, effectively, serial wise, status. So all these right now this is not able to fetch the products, so because I have not done entire entries right now, so this may not be able to show you the entire reports. So I can just go through the each reports that is working: serial wise report, product wise status, contract bill, daily reports, all contract bills. So you will get the reports of the each and every operations that we are doing. And yeah, here we have a export barcodes, and then we have a generate card ID card, so you can generate the ID cards for the workers, change worker proficiency if they want to change the proficiency, approve prices. So these are prices of the for the workers. So if I so right now there is no approved price notification we have for now, because so whenever we change the approval of prices of any of the operation, it comes here to approve by the super admin. And then we have a manual scan, store entry, so that it can be done in the inventory. So again, and then we have an injection. So this is the separate part. If we have injection machine or molding machine, then we can use these two options. And then we have a daily activity. So how many uh, items or products they have created. So this is the part of that particular process. So I can give you some of the options because we have not created the entire thing, so we will not be able to give you the operations. So this is the entire software that can work for your assembly line automations, plus software inventory, products inventory, generating the barcodes, calculating the wages of the workers. That's it.